Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode where we explore how cutting-edge military technologies have found their way into our everyday lives. I'm Prashant Bohl, your tech expert for today. Let's dive right in. The word drone might evoke images of unmanned aerial vehicles soaring over conflict zones, but their presence in our daily lives is rapidly expanding. Initially developed for military surveillance and targeted strikes, drones have become ubiquitous, revolutionizing industries like agriculture, logistics, and even filmmaking. Farmers are now using drones to survey vast fields, identify crop diseases, and optimize irrigation, increasing efficiency and yields. Delivery companies are exploring drone-based solutions for faster and more cost-effective delivery, particularly in remote areas. And filmmakers are capturing breathtaking aerial shots that were once impossible without expensive helicopters, democratizing access to cinematic quality footage. Drones, in their versatility and adaptability, embody the potential of military technology to transcend its initial purpose. They exemplify how a tool designed for warfare can be repurposed for peaceful and productive endeavors, impacting our lives in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. The seamless integration of drones into our society underscores the increasingly blurred lines between military and civilian spheres, a trend set to continue as technology evolves at an unprecedented pace. Imagine a world without GPS, a world where paper maps and compasses were our primary means of navigation. It seems almost archaic now thanks to a technology initially developed for military purposes, the Global Positioning System. Born out of the need for precise positioning of troops and weapons, GPS has become an indispensable part of our daily lives. From navigating through unfamiliar cities to tracking our fitness progress, GPS has revolutionized our relationship with location and mobility. The ability to pinpoint our location on a global scale with remarkable accuracy has had profound implications, leading to the development of location-based services, real-time traffic updates, and emergency response systems that can locate individuals in need with unparalleled speed. GPS is a testament to the power of scientific exploration, driven by the need for military advantage yet blossoming into a tool that has democratized access to information and revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. The ability to create three-dimensional objects from digital designs was once a futuristic concept, but 3D printing has rapidly transitioned from a niche technology to a transformative force in various industries. While its roots lie in rapid prototyping for military equipment, 3D printing has found applications in healthcare, manufacturing, and even art. In medicine, 3D printing allows the creation of customized prosthetics tailored to individual patients, offering a level of precision and personalization previously unattainable. Surgeons can now use 3D printed models of organs to plan complex surgeries, improving outcomes and reducing risks. The manufacturing industry has witnessed a revolution with 3D printing, enabling the creation of complex parts on demand, reducing reliance on traditional supply chains, and allowing for greater flexibility in design and production. 3D printing exemplifies the democratization of technology, empowering individuals and small businesses to create and innovate in ways that were once exclusive to large corporations and institutions. It underscores the potential of military-driven innovations to empower creativity and drive progress across diverse fields. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information onto our real-world view, enhancing our perception and interaction with our surroundings. While its origins can be traced back to military flight simulators, Arkansas has permeated our lives in entertainment, education, and even retail. AR-powered games like Pokemon Go brought the concept of augmented reality into the mainstream, demonstrating its potential to create immersive and engaging experiences. Educational apps are leveraging AR to bring textbooks to life, allowing students to interact with 3D models and explore historical artifacts in their living rooms. Retailers are using AR to enhance the shopping experience, allowing customers to visualize furniture in their homes before purchasing or try on clothes virtually. AR is blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds, creating new possibilities for interaction and engagement. As AR technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more seamless integration into our daily lives, from heads-up displays that provide real-time information to interactive learning environments that transform education. The potential for AR to enhance our perception of reality is vast, and its journey from military origins to mainstream adoption is a testament to the transformative power of human ingenuity. We live in an era of information abundance, generating vast amounts of data every second. The ability to extract meaningful insights from this data deluge is crucial, and this is where big data and analytics come into play. Originally developed for military intelligence and surveillance, these technologies are now utilized in various sectors, from healthcare to finance. In healthcare, big data analysis helps identify disease patterns, predict outbreaks, and personalize treatment plans, leading to more effective healthcare delivery. Financial institutions utilize big data to assess risk, detect fraud, and personalize investment strategies. Marketing companies leverage big data to understand consumer behavior, tailor advertising campaigns, and optimize product development. The ability to analyze vast datasets has revolutionized decision-making processes, enabling organizations to make data-driven choices that lead to greater efficiency and innovation. Big data and analytics exemplify the power of information in the digital age. What began as a tool for military advantage has evolved into a transformative force that empowers us to understand complex systems, make informed decisions, and navigate the ever-expanding sea of information that surrounds us. The need for rapid and reliable communication is paramount in military operations, and this drive led to the development of advanced communication technologies like 5G. Now, 5G is transforming the civilian landscape, enabling faster download speeds, lower latency, and greater network capacity, paving the way for a truly connected world. 5G's impact extends beyond faster internet browsing. It enables the seamless integration of Internet of Things, IoT devices, from smart homes to connected cars, creating a network of interconnected devices that can communicate and share data in real time. 5G is also crucial for the development of emerging technologies like autonomous vehicles, which require lightning-fast communication for safe and efficient operation. In healthcare, 5G enables remote surgery and telemedicine, expanding access to quality healthcare in remote areas. The advent of 5G connectivity is a testament to the relentless pursuit of faster, more reliable communication. Its journey from military necessity to civilian infrastructure underscores the transformative power of connectivity in shaping our world. Blockchain, the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has its roots in the need for secure and transparent record-keeping. While initially developed for financial transactions, blockchain's potential applications extend far beyond the realm of finance. Blockchain's decentralized and immutable nature makes it ideal for securing sensitive data in healthcare, ensuring the integrity of medical records and facilitating secure data sharing between healthcare providers. Supply chain management can benefit from blockchain's ability to track the movement of goods, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the process. Voting systems can leverage blockchain to create secure and tamper-proof voting mechanisms, enhancing trust and transparency in democratic processes. Blockchain's potential to revolutionize various sectors is immense, and its journey from a niche technology to a mainstream force is a testament to the power of secure and transparent data management. Hemostatic bandages, designed to quickly stop bleeding from traumatic injuries, were initially developed for battlefield medicine, where rapid intervention is crucial for survival. These life-saving bandages have now found their way into civilian first aid kits, empowering individuals to respond effectively to emergencies. Hemostatic bandages utilize specialized materials that promote rapid blood clotting, effectively controlling bleeding, and providing precious time for medical professionals to arrive. Their ease of use and effectiveness make them invaluable tools for first responders, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone seeking to be prepared for unexpected emergencies. The transition of hemostatic bandages from military medic kits to everyday first aid essentials underscores the importance of accessible and effective medical technology. It highlights the potential for life-saving innovations developed in the context of conflict to improve the safety and well-being of individuals in their daily lives. The microwave oven, a ubiquitous appliance in modern kitchens, has a surprising origin story rooted in military radar technology. During World War II, radar technology relied on microwaves to detect enemy aircraft, and a serendipitous discovery led to the realization that microwaves could also cook food. Percy Spencer, an engineer working on radar systems, noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted due to microwave exposure. This observation led to further experimentation and eventually the development of the microwave oven, revolutionizing the way we cook and consume food. The microwave oven's journey from a military innovation to a kitchen staple highlights the unexpected ways in which scientific discoveries can transform our lives. It demonstrates the potential for cross-pollination between seemingly unrelated fields, leading to innovations that improve our daily routines and enhance our quality of life. From the skies above to the devices in our pockets, the influence of military technology on our daily lives is undeniable. What began as tools for conflict and survival have evolved into indispensable parts of our modern world, shaping the way we communicate, navigate, create, and even cook. These innovations underscore the enduring impact of military research and development, highlighting the potential for technologies born out of necessity to transcend their initial purpose and improve the lives of people around the globe. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations to emerge from the military sphere, shaping the future in ways we can only begin to imagine. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of military technologies that have transformed civilian life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and stay innovative.